So today I'm going to prepare a peanut butter beef stew. You heard right. Yes, it's peanut butter with beef stew. Okay, so I got the beef that I already cleaned. You wash it out before you put it in the pot. Plain yellow onions that I chopped up. Medium size. It don't have to be really small. Also, the corn oil, which I use all the time, cholesterol free. You can use any oil of your choice. Ketchup, tomato paste, ketchup. I also have this seasoning that I used in my cooking. Also another seasoning that I also used, which is give the food good flavor. And of course, black pepper that I use, and peanut butter. This is just natural peanut butter. You can get whichever peanut butter you like, but this is natural, so I prefer to use this one. And also I'm going to add kidney beans to that. Yum, very tasty. So these are just the ingredients that I use to prepare a beef peanut butter stew. First, I'm gonna add water in our beef. I already washed it, so we're gonna add some water to it. So it's already been washed. I'm just adding water to it right now. And good, that's enough water. Okay, and we can put it on the stove. Okay, and add some seasoning. The same seasoning that I showed you. Add a little bit of everything. Of course, make sure your hands are clean and washed when you're preparing any of your dinner. Add your seasoning. Of course, you're gonna add 2 of that. Also this one. And sprinkle some in there. And as the stew cooks, you can also taste so you don't over salt or over season it. By your taste, some people let less seasoning, but it's go by how much salt seasoning you put in your food. So use a black pepper that I put in there. Of course, put a little bit of black pepper. And black pepper, and also I'm going to put the onions in, the chopped onions. The chopped onions. Okay, once you get all of that in, turn on the stove. Turn the stove on, and you want it to boil, so stir in your seasoning. I will let it stay there for like 30 minutes. You want the meat to get tender, and just stir it in there. All right, and cover it up. And let it cook. We will give it 30 minutes, and then we're gonna come back and check it out before we add the rest of the ingredients. So at this time, we're just gonna let it sit for 30 minutes and for the meat to get tender, and then we add the rest of the ingredients. Okay, so see you back so we can continue the process. Okay, so we back after 30 minutes. We're gonna open the pot and make sure to check the meat, see if it's ready. There you go. All right, so the meat looks like it's all ready. We're gonna add I'll add, there you go, oil. This is when we add the oil. Add a little bit of oil. Okay, so you can put any oil you like. So add some oil. Don't have to be that much. Okay. A little bit of oil. Not that much. So put that in. You can add your ketchup. Tomato ketchup. Don't have to be. It can be any brand. So any brand you want to use. A little bit of tomato ketchup. And you want to add your peanut butter. Now, you can put, if you love peanut butter a lot, you can put a lot. You want to put a little, you can put a little. So, it's a peanut butter stew, so put enough peanut butter. Because you want to be able to taste the peanut butter when you're eating the stew. Okay? You can do that with beef. You can, if you don't want to use beef, you can use chicken. Some people don't want to eat beef. You can also have chicken. Cook it with chicken. Stir it in there. Okay. You want to add also your kidney beans at this point. Stir it all in there. So, remember to put your peanut butter, your kidney beans, your beef, your tomato ketchup. All right, now you just let it cook. Give it another 30 minutes. Let it cook again. Your meat can be real tender by the time that it's done. And you have a peanut butter beef stew. So we're gonna cover it up. Don't forget, make sure you cover it up when you're done stirring it in. All right, that's enough. And then take the top. So this is the rice I prepared to have with my sauce. I'm going to go from the bottom so you can have the red beans. You want to make sure you get a lot of that on your plate and spread on your food. You want. See all the beef. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Yep. There you go. All ready to go. Chopping about stew with the rice. Yummy. You can try some at home. Thanks for watching my video.